Worried about your secrets being exposed? No more. Let's learn on how to create a secure log folder without installing any software. Hi YouTube family, welcome to another video from Barrier Breaks. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Your engagement motivates me to create more such valuable contents. Let me know in the comments on what other topics you would like to watch in the upcoming videos. Okay, let's get started. So, in order to create a log folder, first right-click on the directory where you want to create your log folder. Here, I will be creating on my desktop. Right-click, New, Folder. Here, I will be renaming it to Locker. Open a notepad or any text editor. Copy and paste the code into the text editor. Search for your password and replace it with the password that you would like to have for your folder. Now, click on File and click on Save As. Name the file of your choice. I am keeping it as locker.bat. Make sure that the file extension is .bat and save as type should be all files. Save it in the same directory where you created the new folder. Now, go to that folder. Double-click on the Locker batch file. It will ask you to enter the password to unlock the folder. Just provide the password and enter. If you see here, a folder named Locker was created. Just place all the items that you would wish to keep secure. Let me keep one of it. Now, I will lock the folder again. So, in order to lock the folder again, you need to click on the Locker batch file. It will ask you whether you want to lock the folder or not. For this, either you have to press a Y or an N. I'll press Y and enter. See, the folder was locked. Let's see if we could find the folder in the hidden section. View, hide items. See, you can't even find the folder in the hidden items. You can get the code in the description. So, in order to have a good understanding, let's have a code walkthrough. Here, the code has different functions that are being called. So, let's go through the functions first. The first function says confirm. If you have seen the early part of our video, there, while trying to lock our folder, we used to get a text message saying, "Are you sure you want to lock the folder? Yes or no?" There, we used to provide either Y or N. So, that is what is mentioned in here. Here, you can provide either a capital Y, a small y, a capital N, or a small n. If you provide something other than these four, you will see a message which says invalid choice. And then it will again go to confirm section, which is in here. So whenever you give something other than these four, it will give you a message called invalid choice, and again it will take you back to the same function called confirm, and again it will print you a message saying that are you sure you want to lock the folder. This was all related to the confirm function. Now let's have an understanding of locker function. So this locker function renames the folder to something that looks like a system folder and hides it. It then displays a message saying that the folder is locked. Then go to the end of the script once the folder is locked. Then we have another function called unlock. Ask for a password to unlock the folder. If the password is correct, it unhides the folder and rename it back to locker. It then displays a message saying that the folder is unlocked. If the password is wrong, it goes to the fail section. In here, whenever you try to enter your password and if you type some wrong characters other than those 4, it will give a message saying that invalid password. The last function is md locker. This creates the locker folder if the locker folder doesn't exist and displays a message saying that the folder is created, and then go to end of the script. This was all related to the different functions that we have. Now let's see how the code body works. So first line says echo off. It prevents the command from being displayed in the command prompt. The second line says title folder locker. It sets the title of the command prompt to folder locker. The third line says if exist control panel go to unlock. So this checks if the folder is currently locked. If it is, the script goes to the section of unlock of the folder that is in here. And the fourth line says if not exist locker go to mid locker. So here it will check if the folder name locker exists or not. If it doesn't exist, it goes to the mid locker folder function wherein it creates a new folder and it says locker folder created. This was all related to the video. I hope you find this video useful. See you in the next video. Bye.